going on, guys? So today I've been working on the tee a bunch. All miscellaneous stuff, garage all cleaned up and everything. There was a note on Facebook and Instagram. I got tagged in it a bunch of times. There's some kid having a party or something like that into cars, but of course no one can go and you can't have any parties and all that stuff. So his mom tried to organize something where a bunch of cars just drive by the house type thing, and that's happening right away. So I'm gonna take a break from working on the garage, pulled the 55 around, got it running, and the 57. So Danielle, she was a big force in this. She wanted to go for a ride, so she's gonna drive her hot rod. I'm gonna take mine, and I guess there's a meet, so I don't know. We'll see if there's any cars there. We can kind of drive by and all that. They're making us stay in our cars, so we'll see. Can't be around anybody, but might be some cool cars. Do a little drive by, make a quick video of this, put it up, try and do the good thing for a little kid there. But yeah, we'll see how she goes. Plus Danielle hasn't actually driven the 57 since it's been LS swapped, so be a good learning curve for her real quick. All right, we're gonna head out. I drew short, so I'm driving the 55, which has no heater. Oh, and she's stealing my radio. Oh, she's having trouble. You figure it out? Are you giving that to me?
I have a speaker.
Oh, bonus. You're all good on this thing then, or what?
I think so.
You see over the steering wheel?
I can read the pedals, I can see.
All right, I think the registration's on the floor when you get pulled over.
I don't see it.
It's on the floor somewhere.
Oh, I found it.
All right. You know where we're going?
No, I'll follow you.
You're in front. All right.
Bye.
Winnipeg does a pretty good job here, these guys. I don't know where he is here, this little kid. There's so many other kids. Danielle got him a little present there. It's actually just a DD Speed Shop t-shirt, but I'm sure she's going to hand it out. Oh, there she is, giving her a little present. She's such a nice person, taking my stuff and giving it away for me. Alright, half hour in traffic, it's time to go home. Hey, both cars didn't burst into flames. This does running really cool, too. If you don't run out, it's not on the public
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
I love how it's conceited.
Alright, made her back. My
Yeah.
car's on the street. This thing ran great, didn't overheat, charging, everything was good.
It's fantastic. It's very good for dancing as well.
She says it has some jam.
It's got a little jam.
Mike says the cops showed up right when we were leaving there, though.
Oh, really?
You gotta know the right time. You also had the signal going
I know.
the entire trip.
I kept noticing it. And then I turn it off and I turn it on again and then I forget.
Wow. So like I said, that's probably just gonna be a small little video there, but maybe we'll put it up, maybe not. If I don't, you'll never see it. If we do, like, share, subscribe.
Bye.